Welcome to the demonstration of the Prep for Blue Knowledge Transfer Online Showcasing module. We will present to you where to find the module, its methodological framework, and how it works. Prep for Blue is a 3-year project active between 22 and 25 that will set the foundations for co-creating and co-implementing the research and innovation required to achieve Mission Restore Our Ocean and Waters by 2030.
I'm Alexander Daniel with the University of Southern Denmark, SDU. I'm leading the task on the mission ecosystem database WaveLinks developed in Prep for Blue in collaboration with BlueMissionBanos and BlueMissionAA. WaveLinks is a new web application developed by SDU. I will show you where the Knowledge Transfer Online Showcase module is embedded within WaveLinks and how you can access it. You can access it by registering to WaveLinks. Once registered, you can access the databases and dashboards on mission-relevant projects, stakeholders, engagement methods, citizen science, funding, policy and legislation, and solutions. Clicking on the Solutions tab, you can access the Solutions database with currently 90 solutions uploaded between Prep for Blue and BlueMissionAA, and more to come. Clicking on the Prep for Blue sourced solution, you can access the Knowledge Transfer Online Showcase module for that solution, where you see the solution description at the left and the modules at the right. If you'd like to see your mission-relevant solution uploaded to WaveLinks and to analyze it with the modules, you can also upload your description on the Solutions page.
I'm Cecilia Manago with Aaron Innovation, leading the Work Package 4 in Prep for Blue, which applies a tried and tested knowledge transfer method developed by Aaron Innovation. This method builds the framework for the Knowledge Transfer Online Showcasing module. The methodology entails a deeply informed 3-step process to collect knowledge, to analyze potential target user, and to develop pathways to impact. This serves to plan, undertake, and monitor transfer activities, and thus to foster and measure transfer impact. In collection, solutions are identified and described through interviews, now showcased on WaveLinks. The analysis informs pathways to impact based on expert panel discussions and desktop research. This can be supported through stakeholder identification and landscape mapping. This way, transfer activities can be informed, planned, and undertaken to foster application uptake and ultimately impact. The informed pathways to impact are as well showcased, allowing for planning as well as progress and impact monitoring.
I am René Bernd from Fraunhofer, Austria. I have built the mission ontology and based on that the semantic network, which is based on the different data sources on WaveLinks. It builds the IT core of the Knowledge Transfer Online Showcasing module.
The ontology is used to represent and organize knowledge in a structured and formal manner. A semantic network is a graphical representation of knowledge or information in the form of nodes and edges. Together, the ontology and the semantic network allow us to link and explore the data to get a better insight. The stakeholder mapping allows to expand and contract the network, showing how the stakeholder is connected to the solution. The list of potential stakeholders is ranked by their connections within the semantic network, which can also be seen as a subgraph. Furthermore, you can explore a suggested pathway to impact step by step. Based on the explorations in the semantic network and other informations gained through expert interviews and desktop research, you can summarize the gained insight in a graphical representation of your potential pathway to impact.
With this, we invite you to use the Knowledge Transfer Online Showcasing module to inform, plan, undertake, and monitor your steps along your pathway to impact towards the mission objectives and targets.